What's up, guys? It's your girl, Matt Cox from Maccouture Crafting. I know, I have no idea when the last time I filmed a video was. That's not true. I'm filming constantly, but posting, that's a whole nother beast. And I have a ton of video intros to get through today, and I'm just going to do them. I'm just going to do them all sitting here like this, and we're going to be okay with it because we need to get through the end of this year. I have all kinds of things coming up, but this first video is solely dedicated to the first large company that has recognized me as a YouTuber or an influencer. I'm super excited. So I'm embarrassed too because this is ridiculous. But the Yeah guys, you guys know that I went to the Yeah quilt store and I did a review. And I do my reviews kind of stealthy. I usually go in and I ask them if it's cool. I ask whomever's there if it's cool if I take pictures or video or whatever. And most quilt stores are like, yeah, they don't care. So I did that and then I went through and did my thing. But nobody, I mean, it was like on a really random day. And I shouldn't say nobody was there. It's just that the brothers weren't there. I guess I don't know if they were there or not. But anyway, I'm just going through and I'm getting it, and then I post it. I don't tell people I post. I just post it because this is about the quilting community. You know, I'm just letting you guys know what these stores look like, where they are, that kind of thing. So I can't believe it. They found it. I It's just insane that they found it because they are such a huge, awesome channel. So they found it. They thanked me for it. And then they were like, hey, we'd like to send you something. Like, you want to send me something? Nobody wants to send me stuff for what? You know, I've got 5 followers. What you gonna do? What am I gonna do? But it was just really awesome. And so they sent it a while back. I am new to this, and building a business by yourself is a mess. And so I don't check my emails. And it turns out they were like, hey, we'd like to send you something. I was like, okay, send me something. So I'm opening this on the camera. This is not opened at all. I don't know what's in here. And I figured we could do it all together because, again, they are the first large company to recognize me, which is just super cool because I have decided that I'm in. Like, I'm totally in. My family is in. Like, we're going to do this quilty thing. We are down for it. So it's nice that it is growing. And maybe one day I will be doing a collaboration with them. They mentioned that in the Joe mentioned that in the email. Like maybe we could do a collab. What would that look like? Something insane. Have you guys seen Rob Appel? They're doing all kind of insane. I want to do insane things like that. Like let's do something. Let's do something just wild. Look at this. Oh, it's packaged all cute. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys are gonna. Why didn't I open this sooner before I went on my first quilt retreat? Look at how cool this is. Like the best package ever. I see a purple thing, and I recently have misplaced my purple thing, and I love it so much. Oh, this is so perfectly on time. And it's like everything in here I recently needed. Let's see what they gave me. I'm so excited. Everything in here I need. Everything. Everything in here I'm just super excited about. Cake mix recipe. If you guys have never seen these, there are block recipes on here, like the blocks. They teach you how to do them. And you guys know, I'm a pattern collector. I want all the patterns. And so let's see what we got. Have you guys ever seen these and wonder what these are? Because I see them in the Orange Bee store all the time. And look, they tell you how to do these blocks. And they're super cool. I've got to try to see what I can do with these. Ooh, so cool. Motor print chart pack. Ooh, they knew the holidays were coming up and they wanted me to win. Thank you again. Here's a little something from us from Yeah. Look at this. Oh, and it's in black and gray. Oh, they want me to win. Oh, I love it. 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 I love it so much. I'm going to do something with that. Do something with all of this. 5 plus 10. Wyndham Fabrics charm pack. What? I could do a whole quilt with a charm pack. Have you guys ever seen people just sew a charm pack together? It's fine. Ooh, hand sanitizer. That's quilty. Loving this. Riley Blake. I'm a fan of Riley Blake. I've been using a lot of her stuff lately. This is a magnet, fabric thread pattern, kitchen clothes. My kitchen is never open. Ask my husband. He probably doesn't even think I can cook. Just kidding. My purple thing, needed it. And it's funny because I always need coasters, and these say so yeah. And right now, I was just looking for a coaster because I'm drinking my tea from my super awesome thermos. I guess this is called a thermos. I don't know what these things are called, but my family made me this because they know that I'm all about the villain life. And so I figured it would be appropriate. And now I have a coaster that I can set it on. Very excited about this. And I love pins. I love them so much. I love when the pin has the, I love these. Like if you're going through a convention and you have a pin, I'm taking it. And I have a million of them. And I love that this is black and white because black and white is totally my jam. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. I can't believe that my little channel with 4 people is starting to grow and people are recognizing me and thanking me. And this is just amazing. It feels amazing to be recognized. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you guys have not done so, please check out So Yeah. You will not be disappointed, especially if you're looking to buy fabrics at a ridiculous, like when I say ridiculously good price, and they're the newer fabrics with the new fabric lines, and they sell fabric probably better than just about anybody. They can sell some fabric. So check them out. Check out their tutorials. Again, they're the So Yeah brothers. There are 3 of them, and they're awesome. And I like their channel, and I really like their store. And I'll actually be in Vegas. I'm always in Vegas, so I hope to one day do a collab with them because I think it would be awesome. I have no idea. To be craziness for sure. But again, thank you, thank you, thank you so much for being the first company to actually recognize me and send me something. It feels just amazing. And I'm glad that it was you guys who did it. So I will catch you guys on my next video. Don't worry. I'm just filming a bunch of stuff right now. So let's go to the next one. Okay, bye-bye.